name is Kitty Tillman. I am the Visual Arts Director here at the Cultural Arts Center at Glen Allen. We had the pleasure of having an exhibition by KonKons and others, and I will let them take it away and describe a little bit more about the exhibition.
Thank you so much, Kitty. And I want to use the opportunity to express our sincere gratitude for the amazing hospitality and professional curators. Everything was amazing. I mean, the way you set up this exhibit means a lot to us, and we will never forget that.
Well, it helps to have truly passionate artists behind the exhibition. All of the work was truly inspired and all really flowed well together.
We all live in the age of recalculation and remastering absolutely any aspect of humanity. If we can say, starting from spiritual and historical, and then we go to cultural, emotional, even sexual. So, Konstantina and I, we try to to illustrate this process somehow with this particular little installation view that we have here. What is the story about it? It was 2014 when we first did this sketch here, because at that time, Konstantina and I, we were collaborating to put down ideas for further development. And I was so glad to find this idea when I realized that it will be good in our Beyond Reality show, to have something attractive, something crazy, something that can make people laugh and interested more in our art. Now, you see why we can consider ourselves the KonKons, because our collaboration continues beyond the boundaries of life and death. I'm still working on our collective ideas, and I have so many of them in my pirate treasure chest. So I'm sure that I'm not going to be able to finish all of them till I'm on that side of the moon. Okay? No? Yes?